Hello, Amanda.
Hello, Alfred.
Hello, Anika.
So today we're going to open this.
blind bag.
It's not poopoo bag.
Yes.
Okay?
Did
So,
that-
ako na. We're going to open this.
Okay. Mika,
Sorry, Ate Leila. Wait lang, isa lang muna,
Oh
isa
my
lang.
God.
Oh, we
Wow.
got this, fishy.
Oh,
Read mo.
okay. Here's the squishy. Oh, I want this.
We have common.
Ooh,
Oh,
wow.
wait. Wait lang, ako na. Pwede mo mamayaan. So, we have good. We have common. We have
Pokemon cards.
ultra rare. We have limited edition and rare. So, let's start with rare.
Yeah.
What's this?
I want to open it.
No, it's not, it's squishy.
I know. Can I open
No,
it?
hindi siya na-open. Yeah.
Starring.
Okay, next. So, this is, anong rate nyo dito?
I know. Go in the comments.
Upo ka dito, upo ka. Anong gusto mo dito? Ilan out of 10? Ilan? Ako, 6. Ikaw?
Akong 11. Ay, 10.
Okay, ikaw?
Ako 10 din.
Okay. So, squishy, overall, 8.
I want to open this.
Sure.
Me too.
What's that muna?
I want to open emotion. Oh.
Aka na yan. Mamaya na. Limited edition. So, it's really hard to find.
Yeah. Ooh, what is this?
Really?
Really? I don't know why you guys are laughing, but
I know what it is now.
then open it if you
Let me
don't.
have it.
I
Wait lang, mamaya na. Isa-isa. Isa-isa lang, ha? Okay, so, dito yung limit iron. So, it's this.
See,
It's wallet with
pictures ko.
Renren's picture! So, what would you rate this?
Me. Hey.
What would you rate this?
I'm gonna go at 9.
You?
10.
Me? 8.
Give me rock,
Ako na,
paper,
ako na.
scissors.
Hindi, ako na. So, open the common.
No, one Pokemon.
Hindi, mamaya na. Ako dyan. Mahirap yan.
Common.
So, it's common sense.
Okay. Let's open it.
Hindi ko alam. I did not pack it.
What?
Wow! Ako na rin.
Call the Jesus.
Ako na. So, next is ultra rare. And let's go open it.
Let's open it together.
Wait. Isa-isahin natin. Isa-isahin natin. So, we got black, we got gold, we got original, we got silver. So, silver, you open silver.
No, I want gold.
You open this.
Oh.
Ikaw, isa-isa lang.
Wow, silver! Give me,
Ganun mo.
see. Games like that.
Silver Pokemon cards. Nice.
My turn.
Wait lang. Wait natin si Renren. Okay. You.
Me.
Then
My
we
turn.
got gold.
I want gold. Gold. I have gold. Whoa. I have this.
Scroll
I
it.
have this. I have this. I have this. I have this. I have a lot. I have this. And I have this.
Then it's my turn. It's black Pokemon.
And we're gonna open this together.
Okay? Your Ate Leila packed this.
Yeah, I know.
So, we have this,
Whoa.
this,
That one
This.
is cool.
this. Next, we're going to open.
Together. 3, 2, 1, open! Whoa! Give me that. Hey!
Together. Ay, but no fighting. Together, ha?
Hey, one by one. For
Okay.
you, for me, I mean, three. For me, for you, for you,
Okay na. Okay na, okay na.
For me.
So, we got...
Me first.
Okay.
Go.
Ow, your hair.
My beautiful hair is always beautiful. Okay, this one is mine. And this.
And this one is do. Okay? What would you rate the Pokemon cards?
I will get 100.
You?
1,000.
Me, 1 million. Okay, next.
Okay, let's open this together again.
Okay,
3, 2,
dalawa na lang.
1, go. Oh my God! Wait.
That's okay.
One for me.
Pengi, pengi.
Why?
This is cars.
Cars. I hate this. I do not like cars, okay? I'm a girl.
So, anong rate niya sa cars?
No, meron pa.
Ay, tama. Anong rate niya sa cars?
1.
3.
Ako, 1 million.
Okay, so she's...
Because I'm a girl and I don't play cars.
Because malaki na. So, sige. Let's go, paalam na.
Bye! Bye! We're going to squishy.